Alright, this is a video where we're going to look at how to use the iPad to create an online graph and then put it in a Google Docs document, like for a lab report or something like that. So my students, you'll have to go to my webpage, www.hoylescience.pbworks.com, and then you're going to scroll down until you get to where it says website links for online graphing. You can use either one of those links there, online chart tools, whoops, ahead of ourselves there, or the second link. I'm going to use the second link because it's pretty user friendly. So click on that and you'll be brought to this website. So you can use whatever graph type you wish when you're using this website. Most times we'll use a bar graph or a line graph. Today we'll choose a line graph. So you click on line, and then this is what you see. If you click on grid lines right there, you can choose the number of grids you're going to be using on your graph. And if you choose 21, your graph will be a little bit larger and will be able to encompass more data. Okay, and then you click data, and then you have to fill in information about your graph. Okay, we won't do that here because I've already got that filled in. So hopefully this will pop up quicker than what it's doing right now. Seems to be a bit of a lag. Okay, there we go. So I've got 21 already picked out. Click data. Alright, so up here you want to type in the title of your graph. Then you want to label your x-axis, which is time for this particular graph. Then label the y-axis, which is plant growth and height, and it's a height in centimeters. So don't forget your units. Okay. Right here where it says items, that is essentially the number of data points you want to put on your x-axis. Here we're going to just choose 5, but it could be a lot more. Groups is, well, how many different sets of data do you want to graph, and which basically means how many graph points, graph lines do you want to actually produce. So I just chose 3, but it could be more or less. Where it says group 1, you want to label or a title put on the first line that's being produced. Group 2 is the label for the second line that will be produced, and group 3 will be the third. Okay. Down on the bottom here, where it says item label, you're going to be filling in data points for the x-axis. Okay. Since we're choosing days of growth, we'll just put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the values for green, purple, and yellow are the actual heights of the plants for day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, etc. Okay. Then you can go to preview right there. So click preview, and you can see your graph. Now, of course, with the value of the iPad, you can expand that like that. Okay. And then a good idea is just to do a screen capture. So you want to click your home button and the off button off at the same time, and you capture the image. Okay. So I'll close that down and go to your photos. All right. Open that up, and then what you can do is crop that. All right. So click Edit, and then click. Let me get my face here again. Click the crop icon, which is right there, and then choose using just beside cancel there. You want to choose a aspect ratio to do this. So I'm going to choose 5:4, and then you can drag that to the size that you wish to use. Okay. And a different aspect ratio might be useful here. Choose 7:5. That might be a little bit better. Just depends sometimes on how to. You have to just fiddle with it just a little bit to get it to what you want. And we'll just try another aspect ratio. Try 4:3. Might be more helpful. And we're not quite getting exactly what we want, but it's pretty close. Okay. So click Done at the top right hand corner. Okay. It looks like we lost something, but we've got it cropped. Okay. So we're done there. So there's our, over here on the left-hand side, we've got our cropped image. Okay. So you're going to get out of that, and you're going to go to your document in Google. And of course, I'm not supposed to go to Safari. I need to go to my Google Docs. And here's my document. Okay. Click there. And I want to put my picture where my cursor is. Click the plus sign on the top right hand corner and say I want to insert an image from Photos. And I'm going to click here. And then you can see now that my graph is now in my document. Okay. And then you can just go on with completing your lab report, whatever document you're actually using. Okay, so basically it's produce your graph online using the website, do a screen capture, crop your photo in the Photos app, and then open your Google Docs and upload the photo, and then you're ready to go. Okay, so hopefully that's been helpful.